the ultimate AI-powered YouTube automation strategy for 2025. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, content creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to streamline their processes and maximize their impact. This video delves into the transformative world of AI-powered YouTube automation strategies set to revolutionize the platform in 2025. We will explore cutting-edge AI tools designed to enhance every aspect of your YouTube channel, from video production to audience engagement. Leveraging technology is no longer optional. It's essential for efficient content creation. By harnessing the power of AI, creators can automate repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on what truly matters, crafting compelling content that resonates with their audience. Imagine spending less time on editing and more time brainstorming new ideas or connecting with your viewers. As we navigate through these strategies, we'll highlight the incredible potential for increased productivity and income. With the right tools at your disposal, you can elevate your channel to new heights, reaching wider audiences and generating more revenue. Join us as we unlock the secrets to mastering YouTube automation in 2025. Step 1. Identify the key AI tools for YouTube automation. To kickstart your journey into YouTube automation, it's essential to familiarize yourself with some of the most popular AI tools available. TubeBuddy is a powerful browser extension that offers keyword research, SEO suggestions, and bulk processing features, making it easier to optimize your videos for search visibility. VidIQ, another favorite among creators, provides in-depth analytics, trend tracking, and competitor insights, helping you make informed decisions about your content strategy. Pictory stands out for its ability to transform scripts into engaging videos quickly. With its AI-driven video creation capabilities, you can generate high-quality content without extensive editing skills. Each of these tools brings unique features that enhance automation, allowing creators to focus on storytelling rather than tedious tasks. By integrating these AI tools into your workflow, you can significantly streamline video creation and management. From optimizing titles and tags to analyzing performance metrics, these resources empower you to work smarter, not harder. Embracing these technologies will not only save you time but also elevate the quality of your content, setting you up for success on YouTube. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel for automation. Setting up your YouTube channel for automation is a crucial step in maximizing your content's reach and effectiveness. Start by ensuring that your channel branding is consistent and professional. This includes using a cohesive color scheme, logo, and banner that reflect your brand identity. A polished appearance not only attracts viewers, but also builds trust and credibility. Next, optimize your channel description and keywords to enhance discoverability. Craft a compelling description that clearly outlines what your channel offers, incorporating relevant keywords that potential viewers might search for. This optimization helps your channel appear in search results, increasing your chances of attracting a larger audience. Additionally, linking your social media accounts is vital for enhancing audience engagement. By connecting platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you create multiple touchpoints for your audience to interact with your content. This cross-promotion encourages viewers to follow you on various platforms, fostering a loyal community around your brand. With these foundational elements in place, your channel will be well prepared for automation, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Step 3. Create a content strategy using AI insights. Developing a robust content strategy is essential for maximizing your YouTube channel's potential, and leveraging AI insights can significantly enhance this process. Start by utilizing AI analytics tools to identify trending topics within your niche. These tools can analyze viewer behavior and preferences, helping you pinpoint what content resonates most with your audience. By focusing on popular subjects, you can ensure your videos attract more views and engagement. Once you have identified trending topics, plan a content calendar that aligns with audience interests. This structured approach allows you to maintain consistency in your uploads while ensuring that your content remains relevant and timely. A well-organized calendar also helps you balance various content types, such as tutorials, reviews, and vlogs, catering to diverse viewer preferences. Incorporating SEO strategies is another critical component of your content strategy. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to maximize discoverability. By combining AI insights with effective SEO practices, you can significantly boost your video reach and engagement, ultimately driving growth for your YouTube channel. This strategic approach will set you on the path to success in the competitive landscape of online content creation. Step 4. Automate video production processes. Automating video production processes can significantly enhance your efficiency and output quality. Start by exploring AI video creation tools like Synthesia and Lumen 5. Synthesia allows you to create professional-looking videos using AI avatars, making it easy to produce engaging content without the need for on-camera appearances. Lumen 5, on the other hand, transforms text into captivating videos, enabling you to turn blog posts or scripts into visual stories effortlessly. Incorporating text-to-speech technology is another game-changer for your video production. This technology allows you to generate high-quality voiceovers without the need for filming or hiring voice actors. With various voice options available, you can choose a tone that best fits your content, ensuring a polished and professional sound. Additionally, implementing automated editing software can enhance your video quality while saving you valuable time. Tools like Adobe Premiere, Pro's AI features, or Magisto can streamline the editing process, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than technical details. By automating these production aspects, you can produce more content in less time, ultimately boosting your channel's growth and engagement. Embrace these technologies to elevate your video production game. Step 5. Optimize video publishing and promotion. Optimizing your video publishing and promotion is essential for maximizing reach and engagement. Start by scheduling your video uploads using YouTube's built-in scheduling feature. This allows you to plan your content in advance, ensuring consistent posting times that align with when your audience is most active. Consistency helps build anticipation and keeps viewers returning for more. Next, leverage AI tools to generate engaging thumbnails and titles that capture attention. Tools like Canva and Snappa offer templates and design elements that can help you create eye-catching thumbnails, while AI-driven title generators can suggest compelling titles that improve click-through rates. A strong thumbnail and title combination is crucial for attracting viewers in a crowded space. Finally, promote your videos across social media platforms using automation tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. These tools allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and manage multiple accounts from one dashboard. By automating your promotion efforts, you can ensure your content reaches a wider audience without the constant need for manual posting. This strategic approach to publishing and promotion will enhance your channel's visibility and drive more traffic to your videos. Step 6. Monitor performance and adjust strategies. Monitoring your video performance and adjusting strategies accordingly is vital for ongoing success on YouTube. Start by using AI analytics tools to track key performance metrics, such as views, watch time, and audience retention. These insights provide a clear picture of how your content is performing and highlight areas for improvement. Pay close attention to viewer engagement and feedback, as these elements can guide your content strategies. If certain topics or formats resonate more with your audience, consider producing similar content to capitalize on that interest. Engaging with comments and conducting polls can also provide valuable insights into what your viewers want to see next. Additionally, it's essential to continuously explore new AI tools that can enhance your automation efforts. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest technologies can give you a competitive edge. By regularly assessing your performance and adapting your strategies, you can ensure that your content remains relevant and engaging. This proactive approach will not only improve your channel's growth, but also foster a loyal community of viewers eager for your next video. And that's how you get the ultimate AI-powered YouTube automation strategy for 2025. As we explored the transformative benefits of using AI for YouTube automation and monetization, from identifying key AI tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ to setting up your channel for success, each step is designed to streamline your content creation process. We discussed how to create a content strategy using AI insights, automate video production, and optimize your publishing and promotion efforts. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your productivity and engagement, ultimately leading to increased revenue opportunities. The power of AI not only simplifies your workflow, but also allows you to focus on what truly matters, creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. We encourage you to take action and implement these strategies in your own YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow creators. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers you to succeed in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Ultimate AI Strategy, 2025 Make Money Online YouTube.